Hi, third graders. It's Mrs. Rosselli. I'm here today to do a number talk with you, okay? Today we're going to do a little bit different. I'm going to show you an image, and you're going to tell me how many do you see, and how do you see them? So I have a picture up here of some dice, and I'm going to zoom in here for you so you can really see them, okay? You can do some notice and wonder. Okay, what do you notice? What do you wonder about them? Okay, and the question is, how many do you see and how do you see them? Okay, but before you tell me how many you see, I want you to really think about how you see them and how you're going to get to that number. Okay, so while you think about that, I'm going to share a way that I see them and some things that I notice and I wonder. So I notice that these here and these here, these four and these four, have pink inside the pips, which are the little bumps inside your dice. And these over here have yellow inside the pips. I also notice that these four dice and these four dice are darker in color. These four and these four are white in color. So those are some things that I notice. I notice that there's 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. I notice that there's 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay. I notice that I see an X pattern in the middle. Okay. I also notice that I see groups of 3 on some of the dice and groups of 6 pips on the dice, under the dice. So I'm going to start with that and show you how I see them that way. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dice that have 3 pips. I also see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dice that have 6 pips on them. 8 dice with 3 pips. That makes me think that I have 8 groups of 3, and groups of usually means multiplication. I also have 8 groups of 6 pips. So if I multiply these, 8 groups of 3 is 24. 8 groups of 6 is 48. Now, I'm not done because that's not my total. I have 2 sets that I've seen, and I need to find the total number of pips that I have. So I'm going to take the 24, and I'm going to put it together with my 48, which means I'm going to add them. I'm going to do show all totals. You can do the algorithm if you know how, or you can do expanded if you need to. 8 plus 4 is 12. 20 plus 40 is 60. If I put those together, I have 2, and 10 plus 60 is 70. So I think that there are 72 total dots or pips on these dice. Did you get the same answer? I hope you did. Now, what's another way that I could see these dots? Well, we talked about when I did my notice that there were dark colored dice and white colored dice. I wonder if that's how I can see them as well. So in my dark here, I have 2 groups of 3, right? And I have 2 groups of 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So in these 4, how many dots do I see? Well, if I took my 12 plus my 6 more, that would give me 18. So these 4 dice have 18. How many groups of dark dice do I have? That's right, I have 2 sets of dark colored dice. I have this set and I have this set. So I can take my 18 and I have 2 groups of it. Do you know how to do 18 times 2? I bet you do. You can decompose that and use the distributive property. You can do 2 times 10 plus 2 times 8. So I have 20 plus 16, and if I add those together, that gives me 36. Okay, so for this group, I have 18. I have this group of 18. Do you think this is the same? You're correct. Do you think this is the same? Correct. So I have 18, 18, 18, and 18. So if I did 18, I have 4 groups of 18. So I can do 4 times 10 plus 4 groups of 8. I can decompose that. So I have 40 plus 32. I have 40 plus 30 is 70, plus 2 more is 72. Did I get the same answer? I did. That's awesome. Great job. I wonder if we could see it another way. I wonder if we could see it in rows. 6 and 6 is 12. 12 and 3 is 15. 15 and 3 is 18. So I have the same amount in this row as I did in my 4 of dark dice. So that means I still have 4 groups of 18. I have 1 group of 18, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if it's the same in columns. 6 and 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. It works for columns too. What's another way? Bet you can't come up with another way. Tell me next time. See you guys later. Have a great day.